Welcome to How to Use Google Ads to Promote Your YouTube Video Part 2 tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating an effective campaign on Google Ads. Now create your ad group name. This will be visible to you only. Then choose the people who you want to reach by defining your demographic, audience segments, or both. Then, choose the content, which is where you want your ads to show. Narrow your reach with keywords, topics, or placements. This is an example for a digital marketing agency-related video. You can choose the related keywords, topics, or placements. To decide where is the most suitable place for your video ad to appear. Then create your ads by writing your website URL. Choose the CTA button and headline. Finally, choose your target CPM bid amount. Your target CPM is the cost per 1,000 impressions bid, which is the average amount you're willing to pay for every 1,000 times your ad is shown.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more video tutorials.